the first 6 weeks after delivery, the first 40 days, or the chilla. If you go online on any Western blog, they're going to tell you step out of your house in the first 1 week, after 5 days after delivery, get some fresh air. But is that really the truth? Today, we are going to bust the myths around the first 40 days, and we are going to tell you that this confinement period where you're asked to stay at home is so important for your recovery.
Welcome to my time.
Today, joining me, we have a special guest, Dr. Sabiha. You know her as Dr. Indian Mama on Instagram. She's joining us and she's going to give us the gynecological viewpoint, and I'm going to be telling you the medical viewpoint, why the first 40 days are also important for you. Please welcome Dr. Sabiha.
Hi Farah, hi guys. The first 40 days post-delivery are given highest importance in our Indian culture. This is also important in a gynecological point of view. The uterus, which will be about 1 kg post-delivery, starts shrinking in size and becomes a pelvic organ by 2 weeks. And it becomes about its previous size of 60 to 80 grams by 6 weeks. Also in the olden days, women had the problem of sepsis. This happened because of all the unhygienic conditions. They used to use cloth pads and they used to get infected. Ultimately, there have been cases where the women had succumbed in her postpartum period.
Thank you so much. From a medical perspective, I'll tell you that the first 40 days mein kya hota hai, your immune system, when you're pregnant, your immune system is suppressed because the baby is a foreign body and needs to be expelled. But obviously, the immune reaction kam karna hai jo baby ke against hai. So the body's immunity goes down a little bit. That's why you get cough and cold during your pregnancy, zyada often. But after delivery, what happens is your body goes into a state of immune reversal syndrome, जिसमें आपका जो white blood cells है उनका profile completely change होता है. So at that time, it is advisable to stay at home, protect yourself from outside viruses and bacteria जो normally कुछ करेंगे नहीं. But in these 40 days, if you get exposed, you can have chronic inflammation, जोड़ों में दर्द हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. It can even go on to become a big autoimmune disease. We doctors recommend that you stay at home. It's not a prison sentence कि stay at home, don't meet anyone, don't talk to anyone, don't go from one room to another. That is not what it is. You have to be confined at home. You have to be safe at home. This is when the important practice of confinement period becomes a solitary confinement wala sentence जो होता है ना prisons में, it becomes like that.
And not even her husband is allowed to meet her. This was because the men can't stop. They can't stop their urge to have their sexual desires fulfilled, even if the woman is bleeding, even if the woman is in her postpartum period.
And that can be really bad for the woman's mental health. So I'll tell you the story. One of my colleagues told me, uski ek friend thi, in her confinement period, her mother-in-law did not even let her come out of the room, did not let the husband go even see her and the baby. She was completely alone. और जो मेरी colleague का baby हुआ और उससे मिलने आई, she started crying. कि मेरा confinement period was the worst. I was completely alone for the first 40 days with only a crying baby. And she was completely lost. So this is where traditional wisdom thoda come end hoke, it goes on to ignorance where, you don't let the woman even have a normal time. And we as women living in the nuclear family, especially a pandemic mein, I know so many patients jinke mother-in-law, they cannot even come to help them out. So we are at the short end of the stick sort of.
I think this is something which has put us in disadvantage with regards to nuclear family also, because the woman is usually alone in her most vulnerable period. And when you are in a joint family, you have your mother-in-law, you have your sister-in-laws, someone or the other coming in, giving you their piece of advice, taking care of the baby, giving you some time to rest also. For that particular reason, I think joint families definitely deserve a thumbs up.
Thank you so much for joining me, Sabiha.
I'm so happy to be doing this with Farah. You must take a look at her book. It is gem of a piece. She has put in lots of effort in it, and each and every chapter resonates with our Indian culture, respecting it at every point. As a modern woman, it will help you in both pregnancy and postpartum period in a scientific method. Take care.
Guys, don't forget to follow Dr. Indian Mama on Instagram. Lovely posts she keeps putting, very informative ones. That's all for today from Momstein. If you love what I stand for and if you resonate with it, please support my book. Please buy it even if you're not expecting. Read it. There's lots to learn from it. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.